Sa bawat kaba, alam ba nila ang pag-ibig mo ko'y nadarama?
Nalito. Hindi ka nakatulog.
Hindi.
Hindi ka.
Tawag mo. Tawag ka ng tawag.
Gusto ka. Bibigyan ng layang mahal sa batang katulad mo. Ito'y malawaraw magkukulat ang lahat. Ikaw pala'y di na isang bata. Sa bawat kaba, alam ba nila
Ang pag-ibig mong nadarama? Binigyan ng layang mahal
sa batang katulad mo. Ito'y bawat araw magkukulat ang lahat. Ikaw pala'y di na isang bata. Hindi kwento mo na gagawin na.
Isa pa. Ulitin natin. Yung ending, okay? Ito na lang. Dear
Nag-memories mo kayo? Naalala niyo saan kayo nanood ng Dear Heart? Pwedeng sa theater, pwede lang pagdating niyo dito.
sa
i-watch
sinihan.
it on
Sa Betamax.
sa VCR.
Sino sa inyo nanonood sa Betamax?
Ang luma na
Ha?
nakakaguli ka mo.
Sino nakakalala ng Betamax?
VHS.
Yeah, yung mga kalalakihan, Betamax. Bakit?
Ngayon, YouTube
Meron ba ako
na.
VHS. CD.
VCD.
Okay.
Tapos ngayon, YouTube.
YouTube. At saka, yan, YouTube. Libre.
Libre.
Di ba?
Kasi naman, anong taon pa yun?
Naku naman.
Luma na tayo, pero parang bago lang, di ba?
Sa dinami-dami na nangyari at nagawa na natin at tumakanta tayo kasama ko. Gusto namin magpasalamat sa
Yes
mga ibang
po.
tao. bukod
Nako.
Sa inyo po.
Because without them talaga pong hindi matutuloy itong tour namin. Hindi lang po itong show na ito, kundi yung buong tour. But here in Canada, we want to thank, of course, Club Regent
Regent.
Event
Maraming
Center. Thank
salamat.
you so much.
Yan.
Backstage.
Ventures.
Yes.
Yan.
Sugar Bloom and Cakes Incorporated. Genevieve and Bong Dalegrito and Nikki Malari. Kuya Bong, thank you Ate Jen and Nikki.
Subukan ninyo yung ube nila, balikbayan.
Favorite niya yung ube. Ayan.
Ang sarap. Pwede bang lagyan ng ano yun? Balikbayan na tapos
Utang na loob naman. Mapapanis. Huwag na.
Oo, ayan.
Tsaka yung
GMA
ube sa
Pinoy.
Pilipinas galing. Ano ka ba?
GMA Pinoy TV!
And syempre, ang kanyang bahay at ang aking bahay naman, ang TFC The Filipino Channel. At iimbitahin ko po sana kayo. So November 28 po, malapit na magsisimula na po sa Prime Video ang bago naming teleserye ni Julia Montes, ang Saving Grace. So in 240 countries. So it's gonna stream on Prime Video. Sana po abangan nyo, you'll enjoy it po. Napaka makabagbag damdaming
Papagaling
drama
ko yan.
about different mothers.
Yes, at kung ang bakit kami naririto ngayon, kami sumakay sa
Yes, Philippines
Philippines
Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
The Filipino,
And
yeah.
we want to thank, of course, NY Entourage Productions, Nancy and
Nancy,
Angel. Thank you, and Kuya Mon.
Angel, yes.
Yes, and our dear
Mon,
heart
no.
team.
Yes.
Our sound engineer, the one and only Andy Anderson. Love you,
Is that
Andy.
the back over there?
Yes, naghahanap po yan ng
Single
asawa na Pinay.
Sino sa inyo ang single? Si Andy naghahanap?
Please, he's a very sweet guy. I love him so much.
And he's Canadian.
He is, he's Canadian.
Okay.
Ang gusto lang po niya tumira sa Pilipinas, kaya babalik po kayo doon.
Ayun.
Pero
diba?
napakabait po, tsaka laki ng kita. Maganda.
Yan, nasabi
Yan,
niyo.
sobrang bait po yan.
Our technical director.
Of course, Endo
Yeah.
Laksamana,
Thank you.
forever my technical director. Thank you, Endo.
Thank you. And our band.
More band members on drums. Michael Alba. Pogi ni Mike, oh. On bass, our very own Karel Honasan. Proud ako dyan, anak yun ni Gringo Honasan.
Idol natin
Oh,
yan.
yes. On second keyboard. Arbang naman, syempre, pakitaas. Pakitaas. Ayan, sir, malayo na tayo. JD Villanueva, thank you, JD. Taas pa. And, ayaw tumaas. And RD De Guzman on guitar. Thank you, RD. Love you.
At huwag natin kakalimutan.
Ayan, and our backup singers, of course. Eugene Kaila.
Eugene.
Eugene. Sushi Reyes.
Second yung sushi.
Yosha Onasan. And my friend Olive is here. Artista rin yan si Olive ko. Ayan.
Of course, our musical director for tonight.
The one and only on main keyboards, Nico Rivera. Thank you, Nico. We love you.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, and especially thank you to you, Sharon, at natuloy yung ating show. At kung hindi dahil sa iyo, mag-isa lang ako dito.
Ako rin, thank you rin, Gabi. Nalito-lito, but really, thank you for this tour. Kasi ang dami-dami, you know what's ano to me is that I thought when I lost you, I lost all of them. But you're all still here for us. Ay, naiyak ako. And
Ito na. Ito, iwanan ko kanina, suot ko na eh. Nasaan ba yung tuwalya kanina?
ay, eto meron. Kasi pag pinupunas mo yung pawis ko, lumilipat lang sa ibang parte ng mukha ko.
Oo.
Walang tissue.
Oo nga. Ayoko na.
No, but really,
Mm.
it's amazing. God is good talaga because I didn't think this time would come na magkakasama tayo.
Well, you know, life is short. And sabi ko nga, marami tayong dadaanan na challenges. And, you know, we don't design sometimes our lives. Things happen the way they do. And miski hindi natin gusto, kung ano yung ayaw natin, yun ang binibigay sa atin.
Bakit ayaw mo ba to? Hindi, joke. Binibreak ko lang yung emotions ko.
Yeah. But gusto ko yung magkasama tayo ulit, and that's the reason why magkasama tayo ulit, because now we understand each other. Dahil tayong dalawa lang naman talaga ang makakagawa nun.
Actually, yun po ang tawag doon, yun ang, sandali, tumutuloy yung luha. Yun yung talagang, nakakapagtaka for us.
Sabi kasi, huwag mo tatawagan kasi gabi-gabi.
Mamaya, tatawagan kita, tingnan na.
Okay.
Excuse me.
So,
Parang, it's just, we're just really grateful to all of you that you've loved us for 40 years. No, 43 years since you. And we have 2 shows left to go. I will miss singing with you.
talaga.
The concert.
Teka
Thank
muna.
you.
Hindi, huwag natin tapusin.
Hindi ko akalain mangyari ko. Pero matagal pa kasi.
But life is short, we should enjoy every moment, di ba? At huwag na tayong maluluha. At least nakikita ko sa luha mo, these are, dahil magkasama tayo ngayon, magkakausap tayo noon, hindi. These are tears of joy. Kapwa. Huwag na. Pag-ready ka na. Dahil ready na ako. Kumanta. Hey, mami. Hey, naman. Basta we love you too.
We love you.
That's important.
Kasi ang dami na rin namin talaga pinagdaan, Gabi. Ang ending, tayong dalawang lang dito talaga. Tayo na natin to. Thank you so much. We love you so much. And we're forever grateful. Thank you.
Alam mo, nalulungkot ka dahil yung shows na lang. Don't worry, nandiyan lang ako. After all of this, yung nangyari na marami tayong shows na ginawa, I think we've become closer to each other.
We're planning to go.
We're planning, yeah. Planning. Yeah, well, that's, naghahanap po kami ng storya. Kung meron po
We're
kayong
working
magandang
on it.
storya,
We're working on our
sumulat
movie.
lang kayo ng magandang storya ninyo. Baka pwede natin
I
gawin
texted someone na, okay.
love stories.
And then, of course, mahirap naman po yung magre-reunion movie kami, tapos action. Parang malayo naman po yun. Expendables.
2 years ago, nagplano na kami gumawa ng pelikula, but ang totoo nun talaga, para ma-dispel na yung mga chismis, mahirap maghanap po ng storya.
Kaya,
So,
sigurado.
3 storya yung na-reject ko. But, tatlo yun.
No,
But
we'll
we
choose
want
it.
to give the audience a good movie.
Yeah.
That's lasting, feel good.
And that's befitting the longevity of our team.
We don't want to do a movie na,
Just
sige,
for the
gawin lang
sake,
natin,
yeah.
dahil may kikita dyan. It's not that. I think we're beyond that. That's why yung mga ginagawa namin, talagang, I think, very meaningful, lasting, may essence, may laman. Ayan. At mag-enjoy tayo.
So like this movie, when we did it a long time ago, we were really close friends. And it's nice that we're doing this so right at this moment. Para po sa inyong lahat.
And it's not a mystery, and we've always done movies, but we've also rejected stories.
That's true.
That's nothing new. So ganun lang to. So don't worry. Sana pag lumabas na yung pelikula namin or pag ginawa namin, I hope it's the best for us, and I hope magugustuhan niyo. But that's somewhere, sometime in the future. I know I am also.
For this is for you. Let's do this.
Ready?
Kapwa lumuluha, kapwa nasasaktan, bakit tinitikis pa rin ang isa? Lagi na lamang bang ganito ang buhay natin?
Di na matitiis paghihirap ng dibdib. Sana'y nadarama mo rin ang paghihirap ko, at sana'y pakinggan ng pakiusap ko sa'yo.
di na matitiis. Paghihirap ng dibdib,
Sana'y nagdarama mo rin ang paghihirap ko. At sana'y pakinggan ang
pakiusap ko sa'yo. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang yaman sa mundo. Mamahal mo lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Maaari bang sana'y patawarin mo ako? Pagkat tayong dalawa ay isa-isa.
tayong dalawa. Ay isa-isa, isa. Alright. We love you all too. Sana hindi ho tayo magkalimutan kahit na maputi na ang buhok natin.
Yes, parang
Isa pa, isa pa.
Kailan mo kami dito, ah?
Okay. Yan.
Kahit maputi.
Kinakanta ko to sa shower. Kahit hindi niya alam. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y hindi tayo magbago. Kailangan nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha ko ba kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin? No. Hanggang pagtanda namin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap na nakaraan sa atin. We see you. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Everybody! Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. You have to sing first because now we have to dance.
nyo para umilit na po.
Panoorin natin to sa kanila before we sing for each other.
Okay, yun na.
Always end with happily ever after. There are also stories of hope, moving forward, rebuilding friendships, and blending modern families, as it is with our dear heart.
Alright, dear heart. Nag-enjoy mo ba kayo? Oh, my goodness.
This is from the two of us for all of you. Thank you for your love and support over these decades. We love you and you mean so much to us. We're so grateful for you.
This is what we used to sing pag promo, right?
This was the other song in there.
There you go.
Wish I was hold me in your heart. We could love so free and know we never part. But I'm not a child and wishes are just child's play, my love. No, I'll never be afraid of who I am and who I'm not. Come what may.
Wish I was a bird. I'd hold you in my wing. Safe from all the stars. You know true love can bring. But I'm not a bird that wishes can just fly away, my love. No, I'll never be afraid of the rain and who I'm not. Come on,
Everybody sing with us. La la la. 1, 2, 3, 4.
shining bright in your star, my love. No one will never be afraid of me, and who will not come.